So the first thing is to get to the settings so you can make changes to your earbuds and activate some of these really cool features, you have to follow this path. Swipe down from the top of the screen and long press on the Bluetooth icon. From here, tap on Details, and then after your Buds 3 Pro are already paired to your phone, tap on the Settings wheel. Now this used to be stored in the Galaxy Wearable app, but it was recently moved to be controlled using the settings, and that's the path on how you get there. Now, number 2, how to turn on the active noise cancellation. Well, the first thing is you have to have both earbuds in your ears. If not, it cannot activate the full active noise cancellation. So I just took both earbuds out and I'm going to put them both in my ears. And you'll see how these toggles keep changing right here. Now that both earbuds are in my ear, I can tap on active noise cancellation, and then you can control it actually cutting out all the noise around you and just hearing your music. Now, if you want to toggle between the active noise cancellation and the ambient sound, pinch on the stem of the earbud just like this. One pinch will make it toggle between the active noise cancellation and the ambient sound. And you can do this from each earbud, it doesn't matter. Okay, for the next tip, if you want to control the volume of whatever you're listening to, you can easily do this by simply sliding your finger up or down the stem of your earbuds. If this was in my ear right now, it would be inserted just like this. And this back piece here is where I could run my finger in order to adjust the volume, right? So if I want to raise the volume, I'm going to slide it up the stem. If I want to lower the volume, I'm simply going to drag it down the stem just like this to easily control the volume. Okay, for the next tip, this one is super fun. Swipe up and go to Voice Controls, and then turn on your voice commands. Now you can control your music and your volume, even phone calls with your voice. That's right. If a call comes through, and this is enabled, you simply say answer call or reject call, and it will automatically carry out the command. The same goes for volume. You can say volume up or volume down, and it will carry out the command. And same thing for music. You can say play music, stop music, next song, or previous song, and it will automatically carry out the command as long as you have the earbuds in. Okay, this next tip is so clutch. If you ever lose one of your earbuds, which can be so frustrating, here's how to locate it using the settings. You're going to swipe up and go to Find My Earbuds. Now you're going to hit Start and play sound. Your earbud will begin to ring and it will flash a light. This will help you locate it wherever you are. If it's like lodged in your couch, or if it's like maybe right next to you, but you put a piece of paper over it, you're going to be able to hear that sound really easy. The downside is the sound is not crazy loud. So if your earbud is like literally on the other side of your house, you're probably not going to hear it then, but hopefully someone else is in that room and they will hear it making this sound, and then they will say, oh, what's that? And they'll realize it's your earbud. So this is a cool thing that will allow you to just ping your earbud. So hopefully you can hear it and you can locate it. Now, obviously, if your earbuds are completely dead, it's not going to make a sound. So make sure you keep them charged and keep your case charged as well. That's the best chance you'll have at being able to use this function to locate them if they ever get lost. Okay, this next tip is so crazy. Swipe down from the top of the screen on your Samsung phone, swipe down again, and then in this section, swipe down a third time and go to Interpreter. In the Interpreter app, you can use your earbuds to actually listen to someone speaking in a different language, and it will translate it for you. Now, there are two modes. There is the interpreter mode and there is the listening mode. In the listening mode, you will simply put the earbuds in, and then it will listen to the person who's talking around you, and then it will translate the language. You will need to tell it what language they're speaking and then what language you'd like to hear it in, and then this will translate what is being said into the language that you can understand. In the other option, in the conversation mode, this is super cool. You can actually have whatever you say show up on this side, and then it will translate it on this side into the different language. So if you're sitting across from someone, they would actually be able to see what you're saying on the screen, and then they would press the microphone, they would talk, and then it would translate into the language you can understand on this side. This is a super cool feature, and using the earbuds helps to enhance the translation to make it even better. Okay, for the next tip, you're gonna swipe up and go to Advanced Features and turn on Read Notifications Out Loud. And then simply toggle this button right here. And now, maybe you're listening to an audiobook while you're walking around the house and you're cleaning, but your phone is on the counter. You can listen to it as it'll read the notification out loud to you. The same way if a call comes through, you can hear who's calling, it will announce it, and it will announce other notifications as well. But you do need to have this activated first in your settings. Now, while we're in this section, I want to point out another really cool tip, which is called in-ear detection. Tap on in-ear detection, and here you can actually have it make different changes based upon how you're interacting with the earbud. So for example, if you're on a call and you take the earbud out, it's automatically going to switch the call back to speakerphone on your regular phone. And then when you put the earbud back in, it'll automatically move the call back to your earbud. The same thing will work for media as well. If you're listening to music or to a YouTube video or an audiobook, whatever, if you take your earbud out, it's going to automatically pause it. And then when you put it back in, it'll automatically resume what you're listening to. All right, guys, this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you found this helpful. If you don't have a pair of Earbuds 3 Pro, you need to get one because these earbuds are so awesome and they have so many cool tips and tricks and hidden features built in that you guys probably didn't know. So one, comment down below and let me know what tip was your favorite? What did you learn for the first time? And also, I want to point out that I didn't mention all the tips. I just shared some of my favorite tips. But as you swipe up here and you go to the tips and user manual, you'll find so many more cool tips and tricks that you can do with these earbuds. So definitely make sure you check out that. That is your homework for the day. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. And also, when you hit the like button, you'll see a pop-up that'll say, do you want to hype the video? If you can hype the video as well, that is your way of just telling YouTube you really enjoyed the video and you learned a lot. And as a result, they will push it out to more people. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.